mining is something which is very new. It started maybe 10 years, 15 years back, like other industry, but mining is one of the oldest profession. So it has been happening. Only thing, it has attracted attention of people because of many right or wrong reasons. And for mining to be sustainable, or for anything to be sustainable, we know the defined pathway, and which is very well mentioned in Bhumi Suktaraved, and what 6 types of behavior are required for it to be sustainable, and says that Satyam Vihat, Ritam Ugram, Diksha Tapo, Brahmagya Prithim Dharayanti. So 6 types of behavior. And the first is the truth, Satyam Vihat. So the mining companies have to be following the single version of truth. The truth which is understood and implemented by the industry, truth which is understood and brought for the industry by the bureaucrats, and truth which is understood and being perceived good by the community. So if the single version of truth, which we call in Hindi Sarvkalik or Sarvbhaumik, that is one aspect of being sustainable, and this has been written not now, Atharvaved. Ritam Ugram is, Ugra is stringent and Ritam is law. So you have to be following the law in letter and spirit. Maybe the local law, the national law, the regional law. And austerity, Diksha is constant learning. So you need to work on many aspects for mining to be sustainable. Resource stewardship, evolving yourself continuously with the changing time so that you can contribute and do more value addition for the different stakeholders. And this is not new, as I mentioned earlier. And this will be the guiding philosophy for the days to come also. Technology is an enabler. It helps ease of doing business, it helps cost of doing business. So many companies, when they have to do many initiatives or the work which are needed for reducing the cost, improving the safety, and making the processes easier, they look for technology. So technology is an enabler. The only precaution I feel is that you should not be clinging to one technology. Technology is one thing which is very disruptive, and you have to be prepared to constantly upgrade, constantly evolve for the technology which are bringing safety to the mines. And many of the companies, they have gone for IoT and AI based system to track if a person is not using helmet or not using safety goggles or not using seat belt. These are alerts which are generated through the system, and companies take actions. There are many such initiatives taken in predictive maintenance also. Only thing which I feel in the technology journey, community also should be taken into account. So citizen science is getting popularity almost everywhere in the world. India is also picking up, especially in the area of environment and biodiversity. When community is also involved, probably the things will be much simpler, much better, and benefiting the whole country, and it has to evolve every time. I would like to borrow words of Ahmad Faraz कि तो अपनी शीशागरी का हुनर मत कर जाया, मैं आईना हूँ मुझे टूटने की आदत. So this should be kept in mind for technology. Thank you.